woke me up when the night was cold, gave me strength when my hands let go. Your mercy found me in my lowest fall. Oh Lord, you heard my quiet call.
The table's full, my family fed, a roof above and a warm, soft bed.
Every heartbeat sings of grace unseen. Your love so vast where I have been. My gratitude, Lord, it overflows. For every blessing only you bestow. Your grace, your mercy, they never depart. You hold my soul, you heal my heart. When I stumble, when I stray, you light my path, you show the way. Every tear, every smile you've known, you've never left me on my own.
I'll lift my voice till the heavens ring.
For all you've done, my heart will sing. Forever grateful for your endless care. My Lord, my God, you're always there. My gratitude, Lord, it overflows. For every blessing you bestow. Your grace, your mercy, they never depart. You hold my soul. You heal my heart. Your grace, your mercy, they never depart. You hold my soul. You heal my heart. They never depart. You hold my soul, you heal my heart. Your grace, your mercy, they never depart. You hold my soul, you heal my